Hi there, friends. We are now on to the blending part of our Greek and Latin root activities. And as you can see, there are a lot of different roots used within these multisyllabic words. Just a reminder, because we've been at home for a while, that roots help us identify what words mean. And there also are other letters within the word. And we learned in syllabication, we have suffix endings. I do see that this word has a suffix ending ed. Another one here, lots of ed endings. We learned that ick is a suffix ending, and ing, and many more. So know that even suffixes have meanings to words, whether it's in the present tense or past tense. And these all get added together to form words, and they help us determine meanings. There's some deeper things that I want you to understand here other than just reading the word and blending the word together. So as a reader of large words, I want to look for those chunks like suffix endings. I want to look for the different roots. This is considered a prefix. I want to look for all of those things within a word to help me know how to pronounce it. And if my eyes can see that, then I can approach the word so much easier, not only during blending, but when we're reading at home or at school. So I'm going to go ahead and give you the go ahead to read. I'm going to have you practice first at home, and then I'm going to reveal the answers. So here we go. Ready? Read. And now my arrow's moving down. Ready? Read. And again, ready, read. And again, ready, read. Ready, read. And now we're going to go over to the top of our next column. Ready, read. Ready, read. Ready, read. Ready, read. And ready, read. So your first word should have been contracted. Second word, photos. And then we have hydrojected, subtracted, photographed, astroscope, bicycled, asterisk, phototoxin, and bioaquatic. We're going to go to the next slide, and we're going to go ahead and read a few more. Ready, read. Ready, read. Ready, read. Ready, read. And ready, read. So if we go back up to the top, we have astrostruct. We have a little star here because it means it's not a real word, but the rest of them are. So if you don't know some of these words, look them up and add them to your new vocabulary bank. Our next word is destruction, phonographic, subtraction, and astrocam. So those are our blending words today. If you need to go back and pause the screen and look up some of these words that are real words to know the meaning, I encourage you to do that. That's what good readers do. If you need to go back and rechant the words and practice, make sure you do that. Before I go, I want to do just a little testing on you. I'm going to pick out some roots within the words, and at home, I want you to say the meaning of that root. So, tract. What's the meaning of tract? If you said to pull or draw together, you're correct. Photo. What does photo mean, friends? If you said light, woohoo, you're correct. Our next root, we have hydro. What does hydro mean? If you said water, you're correct. And then we have jet. We learned this today, and there's 3 words to explain what jet means. So think back to the first video. To throw, fling, or hurl is what jet means. And then we have a couple here, but let's do graph. We already did photo. What does graph mean? If you said to write or draw, you're correct. And then we have astro up here. Aster means, hopefully you said star. And then we have scope, which means to see or watch. By means what? I can't hear you. If you said to, you're correct. If we look at aquatic, okay, or aqua is our root. Aqua means water, and bio means life. So we can use these roots within these words along with prefixes and suffixes, and we can understand the meaning of the word based on knowing our roots and what prefixes and suffixes mean. We're going to continue this practice throughout the year. Nice job today, and make sure if you need to practice again, rewatch the video and use these strategies within your own reading at home while you're reading fiction or nonfiction. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye, friends.